$2.76 million, no hype. Just meme coins. I dropped myself straight to Raydium. You don't need a dev, you need timing and the right launch strategy. And I'm giving you that right now. Let me be real with you. I spent months chasing the next 100x by trading meme coins. Every day, new chart, new hope. And almost every time, total loss. I was buying into hype, thinking I'd made it, only to get dumped on minutes later. Then I figured it out. The people actually making real money in this game aren't trading these coins. They're launching them. Launching a meme coin flips the whole system. You are not the one risking everything on someone else's idea. You are the one creating the hype. You launch, you control, and you start. And you're the one people buy from. And once I realized that, everything changed. I stopped trading and started launching. Now I make the coin, let the buyers do their thing, and I walk away with profits on my terms. So if you're still trying to catch the next pump by trading, flip the script and start launching instead. Before we head on over to launching a coin, I want to be clear that this video was made with AI and it's all fake. Do not copy me. Pump.Fun is flooded. Too many new coins, too little visibility for your tokens, and worst of all, you don't control anything. Not the liquidity, not the listing, not the pace. You control nothing because, bro, it's Pump.Fun, it's dog shit, okay? You have to go on create tokens.io to launch coins. It's different though. Your coin launches straight to Raydium. It gets instantly graduated and is live the second you click confirm. No queue, no delay, just real-time volume, instant buyers, and full control from the fucking start. If you want your coin to actually get seen, this is where you launch. Now here's how to launch fast and profit even faster on createtokens.io. Option 1, build a coin from scratch. Pick a name, a symbol, and upload a 128 by 128 logo. You can go with anything trending, a viral tweet, a political meme, or something completely random that people will ape into. Click next and your coin is ready to deploy. Option 2, this is my go-to method. Copy trending coins right here, the button. This posts coins directly from Pump.Fun that are already getting volume. They're proven to work, and when you launch them on Raydium, you skip the guesswork and instantly get more buyers and visibility. Since these coins already have hype and traffic, you're basically stepping into momentum that's already moving. Launch it and you're the first in line for profits. This second method consistently brings the fastest flips and the most engagement. Anyways, let's cut the talk and launch a coin right now using createtokens.io. So first of all, make sure your wallet is connected with Phantom and the site, then refresh list to have all the fresh coins, and we're gonna copy the Fero Pig. It has the last buy 4 seconds ago and a 25k market cap. So create coin, then wait for and ignore the warning from Phantom, it's completely normal. Confirm, boom, boom. Then wait for it to be copied. It should take a couple seconds, under 10 seconds. Boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. This page is super straightforward. You're just adding liquidity so your coin can be traded on Raydium. Token and SO should be already filled in, and then amount token A, just drop 900 million tokens, which is the 90% button. Now, as for token B, this is your own money going into the pool as the first buy. So you are not spending it. You're just locking it temporarily. The minimum is 0.3 SO, and you'll get it all back when you remove the liquidity later, so you're not losing any money that you put here. I'm gonna put 0.4 SO, just make sure you have enough, and like in your wallet. And then now it should be time to create the pool, so click here. Then click on confirm. After that, simply click on refresh on here, and if you scroll down, boom, the pig or whatever coin is now live, and our profit / loss is at $0. But if you want to see the refresh profits, just click on refresh, and boom, now we are up 140 bucks. Now, to see the chart, click on View on Photon, and boom, now the coin is live. Just wait for a bit. It should take a couple seconds. Okay, we're getting the first buys. Let's go. Now, literally, all you have to do is just look at the market cap. We're at 1.25 thousand. And yeah, bro, just sit back, watch the buyers come in, and enjoy all the profits. So I'm going to do a quick time lapse. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you guys can see, we are at a 5.8k market cap. I could wait longer for it to pump, but I want my profits right now, so come back to createtokens.io, and first of all, click on refresh to see our profits. Okay, so we're up $1.4 thousand with a 4.8k market cap. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the liquidity. And as you guys can see, we're going to receive around 8 to 9 SOL. Click on confirm. And boom, that's exactly how you fucking pump and dump a coin. If I open my Phantom Wallet for proof, boom, all the money is there.